So you decided to start a YouTube channel this year, and maybe you've been watching a ton of different YouTubers and wanted to create content just like them. But I'm here to tell you that the content they're creating may not be what you need to start with. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the one strategy that can take you from 0 to 10,000 subscribers and beyond. My name is Bensound. Welcome to Dynamite TV. I'm going to share with you a strategy today, and I think it can be a simple one that's going to help you get more YouTube views done in less time, because you're going to know exactly what to create. My question to you is that, how do you crack the YouTube code? You think about YouTube, you think about how do I get my videos seen, how do I become someone who people want to follow. That's why we're here on a platform to create valuable content that can help people solve their problem. When you're starting from zero, that's really the first question I want you to answer. Who do I help and how do I help them? Before you even get started on making videos, you must answer these questions. Now, how do you crack the YouTube code? How do you allow your views, like people to actually view your videos, and really comes down to you answering a question. How do you get discovered? Write it down. I need to answer questions. I need to answer questions, okay? And how do you do that? Answer specific questions. So how do you find, like, what questions should I be answering, Beta? What you must do is to write down the questions that people in your target audience are asking. What are they actually going to search on the YouTube bar? Well, let's see what happens when you go to the YouTube search bar and you type in how to. How to is a great way to get started with answering specific questions, because how to means that I have a problem and I need to learn how to, whatever my problem is, I need to figure out the answer to my problem. Let's say I had an organizing, was helping moms to organize home. I type it in the chat, how to, and then guess what happens on YouTube? Well, when you type in how to organize, YouTube is gonna actually auto-predict different video ideas for you to create. So now you know what pops out, and you get to see all those different things that people are typing. You kind of get to choose which one, because it's telling you exactly what people are writing into the search bar when they have this problem. So now you know what pops out. You get to see all those different things that people are typing in, kind of get to choose which one. Well, as the content creator here on YouTube, this is valuable information. Why? Because it's telling you exactly what people are writing into the search bar when they have this problem, and here's what they're typing in. They're not just happen searching and how to organize. That's still pretty broad. If I have the problem where right now I have, for example, 3 kids that are in one room, and I have a tiny little closet, and I need to figure out how do I organize this closet in my room. I'm not going to search, for example, how do I organize my home. So I'm going to search it more specifically, like how do I organize my closet. There's a lot of things in your house that you may need to organize, right? Well, every single one of these search terms is a video, and people are very specific with their problem. Did you see the difference there? What about this one? Well, if you're someone who is in maybe the health and wellness space, and you want to help people lose weight, well, they're not really typing in how to lose weight. I mean, that is a problem, a broader problem with what's the specific thing they're trying to accomplish. What do they actually need from you? Well, here you can see when you type in, for example, how to lose weight, the video idea that you could be creating right now. This is your niche. How to lose weight in 4 easy steps, for example. I don't need that myself though. Tell me how to gain it. Okay, when you come up with video ideas that are actually gonna get views, you really have to ask yourself, does someone wants to see this? Now if you're posting videos but you don't receive any comments or questions, make sure to ask them in your videos, like, if you have questions, let me know down here, just like this. Now, if you've just started and you don't get that much view or comments, what you can do, which is tip number 3, is to go to other people's YouTube channels and check their comments. And you can get some ideas to make videos for your own channel and answer their questions. It's not stealing. You want to work on them. What is your mission on YouTube? You have to solve people's problems. So, number 4 is Facebook pages. This is a great way to join a community about what people need to know. Try to find posts that people liked a lot and work on that niche. Another one is vidIQ Daily Idea tab. Now this comes with a paid version, but if you want a free trial, you can click the link down in the description below. Once you tap on that link, it's gonna give you a lot of ideas on what would be good videos for your specific channel. The last one is inspiration from other creators. If you're here on YouTube, then you probably already follow other YouTubers online on your own niche. And if you don't do that, then you probably should, because you want to see what other people are doing. Look for the patterns and look for what videos are popping up more than once. By the way, you can check out my previous videos about how to start your YouTube channel if you want to get more informed about working on YouTube skills and whatever you need to know about. Don't forget to ask your questions in the comments below.